Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're looking at the best sports belts for men, and topping that list is the Nike Men's 3-Pack Golf Web Belt. Whether you're hitting the golf course or just looking for a sleek, adjustable belt for casual wear, this product from Nike is making waves. Let's dive in. Right out of the box, you're getting not just one, but 3 web belts: white, gray, and navy. This isn't just a bundle for the sake of variety, it's designed for versatility. You can swap colors to match your outfit, whether you're out golfing or dressing down a pair of chinos. Each strap is clean, simple, and made from 100% cotton, so it feels lightweight yet durable. The standout feature here is the interchangeable buckle. Nike gives you one buckle that works with all 3 straps. It's minimalistic and streamlined, bearing the Nike logo with subtle branding. The clasp is easy to use, and the belt length is completely customizable. It's a one-size-fits-all design that fits waist sizes up to 42 inches. No preset holes, just trim the strap if needed and insert it into the buckle, simple and adjustable to your preference. Now, let's talk about utility. Although this belt is marketed for golf, it's not limited to the course. It's equally at home for casual, sporty, or even slightly dressy occasions. That's thanks to the understated design and neutral colors. You're not getting loud logos or patterns here, just clean, classic webbing that works with jeans, shorts, or khakis. Another point to appreciate is the belt's travel friendliness. Since it doesn't have any metal components in the strap, it packs flat and is lightweight, great for guys who travel light. It's also imported and Nike recommends no wash, which essentially means it doesn't need much care. The webbing is rugged enough to handle regular use without fraying or fading quickly. When it comes to pricing, this 3-pack comes in at just under $20, which is an incredible value when you consider that you're effectively paying less than $7 per belt. Even with international shipping and fees to locations like India, the bundle still maintains a solid cost-performance ratio. There are also multiple seller options available if you're shopping from outside the US, although not all of them offer prime shipping. Some combinations are currently unavailable, so keep an eye out if you're aiming for specific color mixes. Overall, the Nike Men's 3-Pack Golf Web Belt delivers on style, value, and versatility. You get functional design with the reliability of a trusted brand. It's perfect if you're looking for a sports belt that doesn't scream sports belt, just solid, minimalist design that goes with almost anything. If you're interested in picking one up, we've included the product link in the description. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hands-on product reviews. See you in the next one.